This is the percentage of eligible times viewers like your reel. Okay, you're looking at an enticing thumbnail of my adorable daughter eating her donut. Okay, now what I would like to share on this video is this information or metrics. I would also like to reach out to all our viewers, our audience. If you're watching this video, kindly comment below if you're also able to see this information on your Facebook Reels whenever you upload your videos. Okay, now it says here, how is my post performing? This post has a negative 100% less views than your typical post, since it was published 30 minutes ago. Okay, on the select like rate, there's a definition of the metric. This is the percentage of eligible times viewers like your reel. Okay, so it says here it's green, up by 370 percent. Okay, the label or the category is moderate. Okay, I'm not certain if the follower views and the non-follower views are updated, because if I'm going to refresh the page, let me just refresh our Facebook page one moment. Okay, if we click again on the insights, as of the date and time of our recording, the duration, by the way, of this video is only about 38 seconds, just enough to get an entry for the eligible views of 3 to 5 seconds, or if we're lucky, a viewer watching the video may watch up to 20 seconds and above. Okay, so what we're seeing right now, it already has 104,000 views. Okay, so uh, let me try to refresh it again, because the numbers should match. But okay, we can see here on the overview it's 104,000 views, but if we look at the pie graph, it's showing 106,932 views and counting. I'm sorry. Okay, so we still haven't got any data for the average watch time. 3-second views, 1-minute views, still blank because the video has just been uploaded 30 minutes ago. Most of the data and information are yet to be updated. And for the audience, traffic, not yet. We only have information about the persons who viewed our content, age and gender. Most are 76% of the viewers were male, men, 25 to 34 years old. Top countries were coming from India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. Okay, now, okay.